Assalamualaikum everyone. We are back with our episode number 3 of Cook Off. And मैं हर episode में बहुत excited होती हूँ. And again, I'm extremely excited today. We're just doing our usual technical checks के हम live चले गए हैं page के ऊपर. Yes, we are live. जी और आज की So Anjum, let some people join in and then we'll start off. Gee, so people are joining in. Thank you so much, Anjum, for joining me. This is like our पुराना ख्वाब पूरा हो रहा है हमारा दोनों का.
I know we've been talking about cooking for so long, and we finally got a chance to do it. God bless the lockdown. I mean, I know it's a horrible time for Corona is scary, but it's brought people and families together. Last week we celebrated Kyle's birthday. You were part of that.
Yes.
And he was able to connect with friends and family from all over the world, and we haven't really ever done something like that before, because it would be either at a playground or at a park or somewhere else, and we were actually able to bring people together. So every cloud has a silver lining, and
I'm so glad. Like, I mean, this is what we've been talking about, of how everybody's been facing this challenge and then just coming out of it in a very, very positive way. And as much, and I know the days are not the same for everyone. I mean, there are good days, there are bad days, there are frustrating days, there are depressing days. Kya ho raha hai, but still, I think so. The whole idea of Cook Off was just that कि गपशप करें, कुछ मजेदार चीजें पकाएं. So let's get to कि आज हम पका क्या रहे हैं. Anjum, what are you cooking today?
So I'm making khawswe. Khawswe is originally a Burmese dish. I think a lot of the traders from Burma brought it to this part of the world. A lot of Maiman families make it. A lot of families who were in Burma at some point make it. Our family makes it. And I know that every family has their own unique recipe. Some people make it with boneless meat. Some people make it with chicken. Some people make it with meat. Some people keep the gravy separate. Mine is a really simple version that my mom, who makes amazing food, but she doesn't make too much. This is one of her tried and true recipes, and I've been making it, I think, over the last 25 years, and it's been very popular. Yeah, people know me, and a lot of people, who are joining us today have had it at my house.
So that is some pressure.
There's no pressure. You're an awesome cook and you know it.
That is some very little pressure. I think I'm not choosing the competition wisely. अच्छा, so मैं बनाना जा रही हूँ आज what I like to call the Islamabadi version of kachori.
Okay.
So I cracked this recipe 4 or 5 years back. And every Ramzan जो है वो फिर मुझे फरमाइश होती है कि जी ये मदिया हुई चिकन कचौरी बनाएं. It's a very very simple. It's basically an Indian recipe. बड़ी simple सी डो है और उसके अंदर एक simple सी filling है. But what essentially it does is वो जो heavy कचौरी की जो craving होती है ना, उसको ये बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मार देती है. But it's very like I said, skinny kachori is what I'm going to teach you how to make today. So, ऐसे करते हैं कि let's start with the ingredients.
Sure. Okay, so my ingredients are right in here, and I'll just show everybody. I have chicken, which is about half a kilo. It's enough for a family of 4. I have 1 pound of yogurt. Okay. I have dalchini. I am very particular because we have this dalchini that we get in the bazaar, and then we have this dalchini, which is in Sri Lanka, which I am very blessed because my brother and sister-in-law went there a couple of months ago and got it for me. So the smell and of this is like it's when you mix it in your coffee and have it, this is gold for me for this recipe. This is this. Okay, then I have ginger, about a little more than a tablespoon. I have garlic, which is again a little less than a tablespoon, because I like the flavor of ginger more than garlic. I have an onion chopped very finely, and I like them this consistency because it's quick to fry. Okay. Then I have a troika of haldi, lal mirch, and namak. Okay, and they're about except the haldi is a little bit more than the rest of the other stuff. And then I have 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of dhania powder. Okay. And it's so simple. I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, so what I'm doing is should I
share my ingredients too first, and then
sure,
we get to the ठीक है. I'm just telling everybody what we are doing today. अच्छा जी. So ये एक तो ये जो डेस्कटॉप अच्छा मेरे ख्याल से मैं भी वही काम करती हूँ जो आपने किया है कि सामने दिखा सकती हूँ. सो कचौरी की बेसिकली 2 चीजें हैं, एक डो है और एक उसकी फिलिंग है. ठीक है. सो डो में बिल्कुल सिंपल 1 कप ये मिलेगा आपको फ्लावर, सादा मैदा. आप इसको जो है वो सिफ्ट करके प्याले में डाल दें, और फिर आपने डालना है बेकिंग पाउडर या सोडा. राइट. सो बेकिंग पाउडर, सोडा, कोई सा भी चीज ले लें. 1/2 टीस्पून ये हो जाएगी. a little bit of salt, and then we have yogurt, 1 tablespoon, or ghee, 1 tablespoon. So these two combined actually make the dough very light and very fluffy. So I will mix it here. Meanwhile आप वो करें, लेकिन you have to leave it for 1 to 2 hours. तो मैंने जो है वो पहले से डो बना के रख ली हुई थी for this, ताकि वो it makes looks crispy. Added point.
No, because you have to make sure that it rests for a while, right?
Yeah, definitely. For any good dough, you have to make sure that it rests for a while. And flour को आप sift भी करने, so that's important. हमें वो मिल नहीं रहा था हमारा sifter, तो आज हम उसके बगैर ही कर रहे हैं, but it's important कि आप sift कर लो थोड़ा सा.
We start.
Okay, over to you. Okay.
Yeah. You see me?
Nanika, over to you now.
Okay, so here's the chicken, and I put in this 1 pound yogurt into it, and then I put in the haldi, lal mirch, and namak, and the dhania. Okay, and I just mix it really well. Okay, I like to get my hands in there. Because if you don't put your hand in it, it doesn't coat everything.
It doesn't feel the same.
It just doesn't give it the same feeling. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm getting in there and I'm marinating the chicken and making sure that the yogurt and the masalas combine really nicely to make like this. Because it has to have that oomph that haldi gives to it, that lovely yellow, color to it. Yeah. So you need to see, cooking is all about the senses. Okay, it's all about the smells, the colors, the tastes, the aromas, everything. It's a very sensory experience. And my nani, who taught me to cook, always told me कि सूंघ के देखो, And so this is the color of the yogurt, that you're supposed to have this lovely golden color that the haldi gives it. You let this sit. I just wash my hands and come back. You just let this sit for about an hour or 2.
अच्छा, ठीक हो गया. सही हो गया. मैं उतनी देर में जरा डो बना के दिखा देती हूँ लोगों को, in case people don't know how to do it. ठीक है. तो ये मैदा है, इसके अंदर मैंने 1/2 टीस्पून डाला है बेकिंग पाउडर, and then I'm just gonna add ये है योगर्ट, ये 1 टीस्पून योगर्ट है. ठीक है. एंड द सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट, अगर आपके पास घी है, घी नहीं है तो आप ऑयल यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन प्लीज अगर आपके पास घी है तो यूज करें. लाइक द फ्लेवर, इसका जो डो है वो इतनी मजेदार क्रिस्पी बनती है. एंड यस, अ डैश ऑफ सॉल्ट वुड आल्सो डू. ठीक है. अब कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है आपके, आप चम्मच तो नहीं कर सकते। तो आपने इसको बिल्कुल जैसे वो नहीं होते बनाते क्रम्बल के लिए, नहीं हम बनाते डो को यूं करके हाथों के साथ,
Like
सो यू
breadcrumbs,
डू दैट विद दिस।
yeah, okay. So it looks like
हाँ
breadcrumbs, right?
हाँ, थोड़े से अभी इनिशियली ब्रेड क्रम्ब लगेंगे जस्ट टू मेक श्योर कि वो जितना भी मॉइस्चर था ना दही और घी का, वो कंप्लीटली पहले हो जाए, और उसके बाद देन यू ऐड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ वाटर इन इट, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग लाइक अ डो। सो वो थोड़ी ना उससे क्रिस्पीनेस का, आई थिंक वो जिस तरह क्रम्बल में क्रिस्पीनेस आ जाती है, वही साइंस होगी इसकी, बट दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। अच्छा, नाउ आई नीड वाटर।
Have you ever made this in a food processor?
हाँ, आई थिंक यू कैन इजीली उसमें भी डाल के कर लें।
है ना?
मेरा लास्ट।
Because they have that dough making tool ना.
हाँ, उसके ऊपर भी हो सकते हैं वाकई। सो दिस एक कप से आई थिंक आपकी कोई 6-7 कचौड़ियां बन जाएंगी आराम से।
ठीक है।
ठीक है, तो अब आप क्या करेंगे अंजुम, आपने इसको अब चढ़ा देंगे हम 1 घंटे के बाद।
I'm going to now, let's imagine that it's 2 hours later, okay?
हाँ,
And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do in the on the. Can you see properly? What's
yeah.
happening? Okay, so I'm going to light the stove. My favorite part. My mother has a very interesting way. She's an English, she's a early childhood educationist, right? So she has a very interesting vocabulary. And
अच्छा,
so she likes to use her adjectives very well. And so she says about Kauswe, and especially this step of the Kauswe, where I'm taking these amazing smelling cinnamon sticks, and I'm going to heat the oil and put this into. And she says when it starts going pit 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 pit, that's when you have to take it out.
that's what you know it's done. Fit.
That's the word that she uses for it. Her descriptives are amazing, and she makes some of the most, like she doesn't make much, but what she makes is superb. So when you are just waiting for this oil to heat up, and it's still essentially you have to season the oil, right? To make the smell of the cinnamon. So I'm just popping it in. And you'll see it will start smoking and spluttering as there is moisture in there. I mean, it doesn't look like it, but you'll see that it will start spluttering.
Nice.
Yes. Or Medea, how is Corona treating you? How has work from home been for you?
Hi. So a lot of my work in terms of the cafe is closed. So वो एक थोड़ा सा है हमारा, but we are focusing more on content वाले end के. So ये shows and doing a lot of recipes and blogs और उस तरह के end पे हमने उसको किया है. So we're just waiting for the physical space to open क्योंकि हमारा ज़्यादातर focus अब cafe का था. And we're also planning to launch something really interesting. वो आपको बड़ा पसंद आएगा, और काश मैं कराची में होती तो बहुत अच्छा अभी तक लॉन्च भी हो चुका होता. Is to give the deconstructed meals, right? Same concept with the home chefs, but do dishes like red sauce pasta कि red sauce बनी हो और pasta हो, वो जो blue apron का concept है. So yeah, so that's what I'm planning to sort of test out. Ramzan is a bit slow. Hey, anyway, so ये है, और so basically digital के end से तो this is what we're doing. Okay, we're keeping ourselves on top of everybody's mind just by doing
It's
these.
so important because human beings, they need that interaction in order to, because we're social animals, right? And this time more than ever has really made me realize the importance of relationships and people, and how much I've come to value those connections, because it really, it's the support that you need. I mean, from like blogs and vlogs and even your programs and things like that, it's such a nice way to make you feel that we're all in this together. And I really
Yeah.
think that's so important for people to realize that you're not alone in your. I don't know about you, but I get like anxious sometimes. I'm just anxious and thinking, "Okay, ye kitne din chalega? How will life change?" At the other side, when Kyle says to me, "Yeah, I love being home with you, mom. I love the best thing about the coronavirus is that I'm home alone with you." And as a working mother, that makes me feel that vindication. I get validation that I'm actually in a there is a silver lining to this, that my son gets
I
to
know
spend
same.
time.
I know same with Zawar actually because I was, I asked him how do you feel, so he's like, I'm like वो पहले बड़ा उसको कोई push करके कहलवाना पड़ता है कि I miss school, but otherwise
That's
he
right.
is he is happy कि जो है वो the parents are at home, they get to spend time with them, and his biggest आजकल तो है कि वो he spends time with the with Zora, so वो उसके लिए अच्छा ये मेरा ना meanwhile बन गया
तुम्हारा अच्छा
जो
ठीक है, like a ball.
ये बन गया, इसको हमने कवर करके रखा हुआ था पहले का, so it's very soft, so that's the thing about it, it's very soft.
Does it increase in size or does it stay the same
No,
size?
no, no. No, no, it stays the same size. It just stays very soft क्योंकि घी है और yogurt है, तो it stays almost the same size.
And now my cinnamon, as you can see, has started attacking me.
फटाफट शुरू हो गया.
Pit शुरू हो गई है. So I'm now going to in this add the onions.
Okay.
Okay. And I need them to be a nice golden brown. It has to be that lovely golden brown.
ठीक है. Is it like वो जो topping पे डालते हैं उसके लिए है या नहीं? ये
the same, almost the same as that.
Okay. Let me just wash my hands.
So I wish I could make you smell it because it smells that lovely smell.
I have no idea how sad I am. Not tomorrow, a day after, I'll make it.
You must make it.
No,
It's so
definitely.
easy. That's the I mean, we're all working, right? So जब फरमाइशें आती हैं कि नहीं अम्मा, I want to eat it tonight or tomorrow. What I do with this, and Amma always recommended it, is that she says सालन बना दो उसका और एक रात उसको रहने दो और फिर कोकोनट मिल्क दूसरे दिन डालो. He likes to cook it the night before or the evening before, and then the next morning at lunch or dinner, whatever time you're having it, she then likes to put the coconut milk at that time. Okay, and she says it's much better because the masalas have all come together and it tastes amalgamated, as she says. So now these are
the real golden tips ना जो सही इन्हीं टिप्स से तो खाना जो है वो मजेदार होता है.
And it has to
तो आपके जब तक फ्राई होते हैं तो मैं फिलिंग के बारे में बता दूं.
बिल्कुल
ठीक है. अच्छा, फिलिंग मैंने ना असल में तैयार कर ली थी बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक आई डोंट नो कितना टाइम लगे. इट्स जस्ट अ टिपिकल कीमे की फिलिंग. चिकन कीमा रखा है लाइक आई सेड. सो चिकन में आपने डालना है ऑयल में आप डालें थोड़ा अदरक, लहसुन और प्याज, एंड देन जस्ट ऐड चिकन कीमा इन इट, एंड देन what I did and I've been doing is add a 2 tablespoon of soya sauce in it.
अच्छा.
और उसको बस फ्राई करके खुश्क हो जाए तो फ्राई करके जो है वो खुश्क हो जाए तो आपका कीमा जो बिल्कुल ऐसे रेडी है. जस्ट मेक श्योर कि वो कीमे को वो ठक 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 करके ना वो मेरे साथ सना होती है तो उसने उसको सही कूट दिया है, छोटा कर दिया ताकि वो उसमें ना तंग ना करे आपको फिलिंग के अंदर. तो ये सूरत हाल है मेरे एंड पे. रियल कुकिंग हैक्स. अच्छा जी, नाजिया हुसैन is just here for us. Thank you so much. She finished her clinic.
Thank you for joining us.
Yes.
Nadine is
So
the head of, the SWAT guide. So she's joined us. She's my best friend from childhood.
oh my
And
God,
she's
Nazir, it's
one of
so
the
good
founders.
to finally and you do such an amazing work at SWOT and like सभी जो है ना लोगों को रेस्टोरेंट को डर लगता है कि अल्लाह हमारी खैर and that's amazing, you know, that's what a good food critics is all about. You have to be that, and I love the work that you're doing. Uh, SWOT के ऊपर इवन इस्लामाबाद में भी और कराची में तो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अमेजिंग लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वाज इन कराची तो मैंने पूरा आई थिंक SWOT का पूरा ग्रुप चाटा था टू सी वेयर टू गो व्हाट टू डू सो अच्छा ये क्या किया आपने चिकन डाल दिया
I put the chicken in. I just sauteed the adrak lasan with the pyaz, and I put the chicken in. And now this has to cook. Okay. This has to cook on a low flame for about 20 to 25 minutes till the oil comes up.
अच्छा बिल्कुल दम पे कर वाह
जी. Second. Now here. I'm just going to show you what, since I've also done the same kind of cheating you have and done all my preparation beforehand. I've actually made the salad already because my son wanted to. When he hears houseway, he's like, we're having it for dinner. So, and we eat dinner very early. And I'll just show you. This is what it looks like. So that the color and the, you see this
इसको
color.
zoom कर ले
I'll just show you.
मतलब कैमरे के पास ले या कैमरे को उसके पास ले
See, the oil and the salan separates, and it looks literally like a korma.
Ah, it does actually.
It has the same color as a korma. Okay. Now I'm heating this up just to make sure that it's nicely. And this one was made about 2 hours ago, so now it has that feeling, and that what my mother calls all the flavors have come together. She likes to space out the coconut milk and the salan ka jo combination. She likes to make sure there's a bit of a space between that.
अच्छा ठीक हो गया सही है अच्छा ये मेरी जो डो है मैं इसके बस अब you look it's nice and soft so just make small balls of it और फिर उसको रोल करेंगे हम and then we'll fill it in we'll start filling it ठीक है तो मैं साथ साथ ये बनाती हूँ और अब आपका you're gonna put the what's the next step for you
and what I've done is I have this lovely Santan coconut milk powder. It's a packet and I've taken half a packet. Okay? I take half a packet of the powder and I like to mix it in a blender so that it always has that.
अच्छा तो वो क्रीम जो मिलती है ये इसकी सूरी की मिलती है बड़ी अच्छी कोकोनट मिल्क क्रीम कल मैंने थाई रेड करी बनाई थी तो मुझे वो बड़ी अच्छी लगा उसका जो क्रीम है ना नॉट द मिल्क बट द क्रीम you think that can be used
yeah it can be but then it makes it very gaढ़ा okay this is very soupy okay so if you can see actually if you can see it actually becomes almost 3 times its size in terms of
so this is how many tables one packet almost kitne grams hai
the packet and tell you
क्योंकि वो हर एक के डिफरेंट होगा
of the powder in a cup and a half of water and I use the measuring cup I use this measuring cup uska dough or like it would be 3 cups of water
3 cups of water ठीक हो गया
so like a cup each cup would have 50 grams would have like a cup to go okay now I just let this boil and cook it just bubbles away and with it you get these I used to love this brand of noodles in Islamabad Delhi noodles you get it at GN store and you get it at Isa Ji's and I love it because it's
Isa Ji band ho gaya Anjum so sad
kya
F11 se Isa Ji band ho gaya so we are very sad about that
oh no when Why?
I don't know what happened before the lockdown. Sorry, हम अपनी इस्लामाबाद वॉज भी डिस्कस करें साथ साथ.
F11 was our hood, na?
Yeah.
Our
अच्छा जी.
school, our coffee shop, everything, our groceries, everything was in F11.
Everything.
The workers. So now I'm taking a packet of noodles, okay, of these.
ठीक है.
Look at the grammage on this. 227 grams to be precise. And I
लोग मेरी रोलिंग स्किल्स से जो है ना वो इस वक्त हो रहे हैं मुस्तफीद. I'm so bad. I swear. Like मेरे से गोल रोटी नहीं बनती भाई. But I'll try. अच्छा ये आपने पतली सी ना इसको रोल कर लेना है.
ठीक है.
डो को depending on the size you want. And just make sure कि जो ends है ना वो पतले हों because हमने इसको ऊपर on top just like it looks just like a mini dumpling actually. So वो उसको इकट्ठा जब हम करेंगे ना so वो बहुत thick ना हो जाए. So just make sure कि ends जो हैं वो इसके पतले हों. अच्छा सॉरी अंजुम आप क्या करनी है अब?
मैंने तो डाल दिए बॉईल करने के लिए.
ठीक है.
And then we start making all the condiments that go with it, right? There are a lot of condiments that you can put on top of this. I've already made them and I'll show you what they are.
हाँ ये मुझे बस सिर्फ खाओ सोई बनाते हुए ये जो उसके लवाजमात है ना इनसे मैं बड़ी डरती हूँ.
Just a boiled egg, some dhania, some hari mirchi, green onions, lemon, and fried onions. Some people have. Kyle hates it, so I don't use it. And chips. Chips.
Oh yes.
And yeah, chips on top. You sprinkle it chili chips or these ones. Kyle likes these ones, so we use these, and it's amazing. It's so much fun. Mushing them together, crunching them as he calls it, and then I just while the noodles are boiling and the chicken is amalgamating with the coconut milk, I make the eggs and the dhania, chop everything and assemble it in a nice dish to show. My maid in Islamabad, Rukhsana, used to love having this. It was so funny. I never thought Punjabis would like this, but Rukhsana and Ramzan bhai used to like dig in,
सही. अच्छा जी. So अब I'm just gonna fold it up. It's a very simple fold. वही जो top पे आप fold करते हैं. It's like a mini dumpling actually. Let's see. So
have you tried it only with chicken filling, or have you tried it with the aloo zeera wali filling also?
No, I've only tried it with the chicken wali up till now. Chicken with a little bit of onion. हाँ तो बेसिकली इसको यहाँ करके और ऊपर से just pinch it up and it's ready. So it's like a
dumpling. It looks like a bao bun.
Yeah, it's like a dumpling actually. But वो जो उसकी covering है वो जो है वो थोड़ी सी crispy होती है. So I made it look like a dumpling. So yeah, so इस तरह की आप बनाते हैं and just fry them and they're good to go. Achha, so about the work, Anjum, tell me, because you have such an extensive experience with brands, so what is like aajkal ke time pe, what is the strategy that any brand, any product, any startup actually
they need to be engaged with their customers,
are running their own businesses, small businesses? Acha.
You need to be relevant.
And when you say that,
constantly, if you're not relevant to them right now, because their whole perception of what is necessary and not necessary is changing. Because
Acha.
it takes 20 days to form a habit. 20 to 21 days, right? Now we've been on lockdown for almost 6-7 weeks.
So right. Over 45 days.
Yeah, so if we think of what is necessary and not necessary, that is what is important. So it's very, very important for all brands, all startups to be connected with their customers, give them something that makes you appeal and be relevant in their lives today.
सही हो गया. That is a very, very important point. And I think consumer patterns जो हैं वो radically जो है वो change होते जा रहे हैं. People are becoming comfortable in these new मतलब घर से निकलने का, उठाने का, everything
is ना new normal लोग बात कर रहे होते हैं. New normal is different for everybody. It's not the same for you. It's not the same for me. It's जो हम अपने घर में अपने खानदान के साथ करते थे, those patterns have been developed now. And how does a brand, how does a service, how does a product fit into that life?
Sahi.
So let me show you. It's starting to bubble and boil और तेल ऊपर आने लगा है. अगर मैं दिखाऊं तो नजर आ रहा है ऊपर underneath.
हाँ, I can see.
Kind of looks underneath like curry a little bit. दही की कड़ी नहीं होती, कड़ी चावल वाले. Like that. It looks like that. Doesn't taste anything like it, but definitely looks like it. And now my noodles are almost ready. So I'm ready to start assembling my dish.
अच्छा. So वैसे you're right कि ये कोई इतना लंबा काम
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. और लंबे look, मेरी जो कॉलीग्स थी या दोस्त थी कनाडा में जब मैं रहती थी, उन्होंने मुझे एक चीज सिखाई थी कि जिस दिन आप सब्जियां खरीद के लाओ ना, उनको चॉप करके काट के जिपलॉक बैग्स में लेबल करके रख दो, बिकॉज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग अबाउट कुकिंग इज एक्चुअली चॉपिंग.
सही हो गया. यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट. मुश्किल काम मैं खुद नहीं करती.
हाँ, they would tell me कि प्याज काट के रख दो, और मेरी सास जो थी वो तो अदरक लहसुन और प्याज चॉप करके फ्रीजर में रखती, so she would do that to make sure that to make sure that that when she's cooking it doesn't take more than half an hour to assemble everything. Because मुश्किल चीजें तो आपने पहले से कर दी. और कराची में तो पैराडाइज स्टोर पे और ये दुकानों पे तो आपको फ्राइड अनियंस भी मिलते हैं बैग्स में.
अच्छा, तो बहुत हमें कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, तो हम देख ही नहीं रहे, इतने मसरूफ है अपने खाने पकाने में कि लोग कह रहे हैं कि लुक्स गुड अंजुम, लुकिंग नाइस अंजुम. ये मुझे लग रहा है कि मैंने पब्लिसिटी सही नहीं की अपनी. ये आई डोंट सी एनीबॉडी सेइंग ग्रेट वर्क मदिया.
You are looking good, Madiya. You're amazing. I've been talking about doing cooking, something to do with cooking for such a long time,
I know. No, so, Anjum, you should say thank you to all your friends who have joined in. And
thank you very much. Thank you very much, Nazeehe, Palvisha, Mevish, Mavish Siddiqui Khan, my classmates from kindergarten, Fatma, and Sami. Sami, I'm going to try and send some to you. And also I have Sarah, my cousin. Hi, Sarah. How are you? Thank you so much for joining.
And I have received 2 hearts, and you have received quite a number of likes. Anjum, we completely forgot that it's a competition going on. Okay.
And
possibilities of cooking, huh? Achha.
Yeah. I don't know. I always find that cooking is an amazing way to relax. For me, especially, like I've had a day at work, engaging with people. That half an hour. बहुत. और अम्मा मेरी यही कहती है कि I know you're not happy today because you haven't cooked. And it's really nice to see my son also loving loving cooking. He really enjoys. He's making biscuits these days, all kinds of biscuits, and he's found a cook as well. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. I really find it very therapeutic, and I think it's one of those things that, I mean, for the same reason you did Shuffling Tales, right? It brings food together. Food binds, brings them. It makes them.
I love the stories. Just you shared how your mom, made it, and then you've been making it, and like ये जो कहानियाँ होती है ना, I think that's the real crux of the food.
About our family, and my nani was from Madras and Hyderabad, and I learned about her and her family's traditions and stories in the kitchen while cooking with her. So I remember she used to wear a sari, and I used to be sort of this high, right? So I remember seeing her sari ka pallu and her pleats, and I would be sitting with her. She'd have me on a stool, and she'd give me something to mix or something to. I'd be asking her question, and she'd tell me कि जब हम मद्रास में होते थे, हम ये करते थे और हम इस तरह बनाते थे, and that's how I got into cooking. So now I'm just going to strain the noodles, Maria.
अच्छा, ठीक है. So should I start frying, है ना?
Yeah, we should start frying.
मैंने हल्का सा ऑयल डाल दिया है, and I'm just gonna put, like I said, ये इस्लामाबाद की skinny kachoriyan hai, so we're not gonna deep fry them. We're gonna make them nice and crispy, but we'll shallow fry them. So मैं आज वैसे साल बाद बना रही हूँ, so good luck to me. आइए जी, हम आपको अपनी खूबसूरत कचौरियाँ दिखाते हैं, ताकि शायद कोई और 2 एक हार्ट्स और भी आ जाए.
You make this in a frying pan?
Yeah. So yeah. I mean, technically, you should just make it in a kadai. And I think I will regret by not making it. But मेरे पास एक बड़ा सा fry pan है, जिसके अंदर मैं सब कुछ बना लेती हूँ, because oil. Yeah, because oil is just not my friend. Like oil के साथ मेरी जो है ना वो बड़ी, because I just personally don't feel good if I eat something too oily. तो फिर मैं हर चीज को जो है ना वो करती हूँ.
I'm going to start assembling it, okay, Madhya?
Okay, perfect. Look at this. I'll show you. वो जो डो है वो इतनी सॉफ्ट प्यारी सी है, उसकी वो कितनी प्यारा सा रंग भी आ जाता है एकदम से ना, हल्का सा. हाँ, सो मैंने उसको उल्टा कर दिया है ताकि वो नीचे वाली डो जरा मोटी है, सो बस हो जाए. Trust me, it still tastes like kachori. I'm telling you. Don't go by the look of it. It tastes like kachori.
Okay. So the thing with houseway is that it has to be more soupy.
Okay, I'm gonna make you. मैं आपको बड़ा कर देती हूँ ताकि ना सबको नजर आए आपका बड़ा बड़ा. हाँ, now people can see like डिटेल में आपकी सारी चीज.
So just to show you the quantity of the noodles, it's 1/3 noodles to 2/3 of the soup gravy. Okay, so I'm just going to mix it up again because like I said, the oil had come to the top. I put it in. And the smells are just aromas. I mean, was it for
Hi. So we have about 50 people right now. So जितने भी लोग हैं वो हमें show that you're here, leave a comment for us if you have any questions on the recipe. अंजुम जो है वो अपना खास सोय assemble कर रही हैं. So she just put the noodles and then the gravy?
sauce with the chicken and the meat, and then I'm just going to put the condiments on. So the egg, boiled egg,
Okay.
and the green onions, dhania. I love food with color, like the yellow of the gravy and the green onion and the egg on top. Like, and I love all the colors coming together. And now my favorite part, I'm going to squish the chips and make them nice and love crunching them.
Nice.
Do you see that?
Oh yes.
Kyle, this is Kyle's favorite part. He doesn't let me do it until he's there or at the dining table just before we eat. He tells everybody, I'm going to squish it.
Hi.
And then I just sprinkle that on top. So it has that crunch in it.
Okay. I'm just looking for a plate. Set the kachoris and Anjum, can you close in the view for your
जी
खास है वो प्याले को आप कर देंगी
Sure.
हाँ अच्छा ठीक है नहीं अच्छा आप डाल रही है ना तो सारी चीजें
हाँ डाल दी मैंने सारी चीजें I'm ready with the
हाँ ये कर दें that's it.
And then we finish it off with a squeeze of lemon, which is ridiculously expensive right now. And my mother was saying, can you imagine? 10 रुपए का 20 रुपए का नींबू था 20 रुपए का एक नींबू कराया
तो the guy said मुझे कहता है कि बाजी 600 रुपए का किलो नींबू है ना I was like what क्योंकि मैं रमजान शुरू होने से पहले I got it some और मैंने उसका जूस निकाल के फ्रीज कर दिया था so that lasted me the first 10 days and then I was like अच्छा हाँ चलो नींबू मंगवा लेते हैं and I was like बाइक पे आप ऐसे करें एक पाव ही दे जाए I mean लेमनेड ही बना लेंगे हम सिर्फ हम फैंसी नहीं होंगे I thought that's insane ये 100 रुपए It looks beautiful. It matches with your joda.
Yes, I wore the joda to match with the it's khadi and so
I'm very khadi too. I'm very khadi too. So I'm just gonna get
brand
chutney. So अच्छा जी मेरे भी जो है ये बन गया I'm just gonna get so I took them out.
Okay.
अच्छा ये शैलो फ्राई होने की वजह से आप देखिए ना कि साइड से थोड़े वो हैं but it's okay. आप उसको डीप फ्राई कर लें देसी तरीके से मैंने इसमें चटनी डाल दी ये मैंने ना बड़ी मजेदार एक चटनी हमने बनाई हुई है घर में इमली की so जोरा की जो नैन है इमली हाँ इमली की so it's basically खजूर and imli and then some spices and that's about it you just blend them up and it's ready so खजूर और इमली that's it and you just spices तो ये है हमारी डिश तैयार प्लीज ठीक है मतलब प्यारी लगी रही है थोड़ी सी है ना
I know I like all your dishes are matching with your clothes also
अच्छा so I'll show you कि they are very crunchy
from inside
they're very crunchy and I'm gonna break it for you but look they're very very like when you break them तो they're very crunchy आप deep fry करने हैं तो ज़्यादा मज़ेदार हो जाएंगे to be honest वो अंदर तक जो है वो उसकी वो हो जाएगी so is there any question anybody has a question on our recipe
turn the handles of your frying pan my father burnt his foot 2 weeks ago when he sneezed and the patila fell on him so what my wife told me is that make sure that you always put when you're cooking the handles of your frying pan are away from where you're standing so it doesn't hit you and tip over.
सही तो अब हम ऐसे करके एक तस्वीर खींच सकते हैं let me take a picture मतलब ये और कोई तरीका नहीं है इसका बट मैं एक्चुअली ऐसे पिक्चर लेने लगी हूँ ताकि Okay, this is a bit tricky. But you know, this is the pen bit. अच्छा जी. तो ये हमारी selfie भी होगी ये live. ठीक है, so everybody, thank you for joining in. We had so much fun. I hope you guys had fun too. And we will share the recipe ingredients and everything in the comments. Anshul, how was it? Did you enjoy?
Oh, I had an amazing time. I've been wanting to do something like this for a really long time, and that you've made my sort of dream come true. And like I said, you have a wish list, a bucket list of things you want to do in life, and this is mine. So check.
Check.
Being part of a
I think
show.
Doing this, I'm loving how it's bringing like so much therapy and happiness for a lot of people that I'm doing it with. So yes, so tune in for. Thank you everyone, and inshallah we'll be back soon on Saturday with our episode number 4. So very
Thank
very
you.
interesting.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Madhya.
Anjali.
I hope you all enjoy. I'll share the recipe.
Yes, share the recipe in the comments, and I'll. All right, take care. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.